Hey everybody, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. Another quick video for you. We're doing this, another Tim Wilman product. Did one in the other room, so here's the other one. This went up really well. Another paste the wall product. Didn't have any issues with coloration, didn't have any issues with seams. Went up really nice, cut well. And again, we just used Dynamite 234. Again, that's the paper information itself. Again, went up really well. Didn't have any issues with it at all. Nice paper to work with. So yeah, definitely recommend it for accent walls or whole room. I think it looked really nice. Probably even really good for offices, that kind of environment too. But there's a recommendation for you. Went up well. Dynamite 234, everything was primed with guards, clear. They had everything painted this gray, so it was already nice because we just put the guards over it, which is clear. So that way, if any seams show or the paper edges show a little bit, it'll still show gray more than white. But yeah, we didn't have any problems with it at all. And there you go, quick and easy. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. Let us know if you have any questions on how we can help you love the space you're in with painting, wallpaper, cabinet refinishing.